Hi everyone, welcome to another video of basic accounting for ERP consultant video series. So if you are watching first time my videos, so I would like to invite you all to my YouTube channel because all the introduction videos related to basic accounting are there, so you can watch those videos if you come to there, especially if you're a ERP consultant or if you are working related to something ERP. This video series might be very informative and very important to your career. So let's start the session. So last one, I think there's a one video of last few videos I have discussed about the 5 elements of the accounting, which is most important, which is the base of the accounting. So today I'm going to elaborate that one element, and in next few videos I will elaborate other element as well. So first element I got is asset. So asset, what is an asset? I can describe asset as a resource with economic value that individual, company or country, keep in your mind, asset can use individually, can use company or country, owns or controls. These assets are owns or they are control those assets with the expectation that it will provide the future economic benefits. Own means sometimes buildings and lands. Sometimes you might be the owner. It can be you or entity or country can be the owner. Control means sometimes if you lease out the asset, you have right to use assets. If you lease out any asset, yes, you have liable to pay, but at the moment asset is yours, which means you are controlling that asset. So that kind of leased asset also we can identify as under the asset special, because we have a special name as for the international accounting standard, that is right to use assets. So that's a kind of difficult area, so I'm not going to talk about those stuff. Just keep your attention on the assets, and it will provide future economic benefits. If you have any asset, if you want to identify asset, there must be future economic benefits. Let's talk about that through these three factors. If you want to classify, if you want to identify asset, there is main three factors. So if you can't understand, if you can't classify asset, so once you have something, you just apply these three factors. One is as a result of past event. Let me change the colors. Yeah. As a result of past event, this happened, you have asset that as because of past event. It can be exchange assets or it might be purchase, acquiring, whatever. This is a result of past event. Imagine you have a building, that's an asset. So that building, sometimes you might purchase that asset. So how that asset came to you? Through the purchase transaction. Sometimes you can exchange assets. Sometimes you can give your land to someone and you can get the building. Likewise, you can exchange not only the building and land. Sometimes it can be like tables, computers, whatever. You can identify. You can get that through the past event and can control that asset. You can control, which means you can take here and there. You can do some changes. If you want to modify, you can modify. If you want to repair, that also you have to do. Likewise, simply said, if there is something to do, you have all authority to do that. There's no one outside to control that asset, which means this is a past event and you can control. This is the last one, most important one. Future economic benefits will inflow. Future economic benefits, what are these? These are not only the cash inflows. There can be sometimes there can be process smoothline. You can smoothline the process throughout the assets, or sometimes you can get some other benefits through the assets. Likewise, you can get a lot of benefits. Like if we get the ERP system is also asset, but you can't get any cash inflow through the ERP system, but you can get support from the ERP system to smoothline your process and make some more revenues and you can make things very easy through the ERP system. That also kind of economic benefits. So if you want to classify asset, if you want to identify asset, keep in your mind it's happened because of past event, and you have full authority to control that asset, as well as future economic benefits will inflow. This is the most important one. Future economic benefits will inflow. So if you want to know further, if you want to learn further about the assets, so we have a called accounting standards, international accounting standards, if I'm not mistaken, IAS 1 classified about the assets. So can't remember properly. So if you go to those accounting standards, international accounting standards, you can get proper understanding about the asset. Okay, before wind up this video, so next video I'm going to talk about the assets types. We can classify assets into different types. So this asset is single word, but there's different kind of types of assets. So that also very important to know how you can segregate those assets, especially which related to financial statement. So let's discuss that in next video. Until next video, stay safe.